So we'll be doing a tutorial on how to contour the shade to the curve of the door using your two thumbs in the middle, and you slowly curve the shade. Then once you've done that and you've mashed it out against the outside of your car door, you'll actually see that the shade doesn't wobble and it sits flush against the outside of the curvature of the door. After you've done that, you're ready for installation. Okay, so now we're back onto the shade here. This is the full shade of the G01, as you can see. As I said before, we have two mounts with the same angle. One mount which is 90 degrees and the other mount which has a greater angle than the double mounts that's of the same angle. What we normally do with these ones is the two of the same is always on the top, as normally their angles are the same on the top. From my memory, this wide angle is furthest away from the hinge, so it's on the further side, and that's adhered behind the door frame, the window frame. But previous installation, I've actually skipped that mount because that one's really hard to get on. These two mounts are placed in this orientation. Let me have one. So it might be it might be in this orientation. Okay, so for this one, from my memory, it should be in the opposite orientation. And this particular mount should be wrapping around that particular angle. So that's how the mounting system works. So I would recommend to put your shade into that window frame and place your mounts on to see how well they sit in the angle. So I would adjust the angle of the mounts prior installation so that these mounts are 100% flush onto the magnets. That will allow you to actually open your windows fully and drive at 100 kilometers an hour. So that's pretty much the installation for the G01 X3. And if you have any other questions, just contact us and we'll try to provide as much information we can. So there we go.